Now that you have your centers for each of your shelf sections, our next step is going to, for step 6, our next step is going to be to figure out where that bottom line and the top line is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my small ruler and I'm going to line up this corner of the box to this little dot that was the middle of my box. And I am going to draw a line, only I am going to stop when I get to this 2-inch line that I drew earlier. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to go across. Oops, I'm not in the corner. Don't make that mistake. I drew in the wrong spot. Make sure you're starting from the corner of your box. Line up the corner of your box to the dot in the middle, and I'm going to draw up to that 2-inch mark. Once I've drawn up to that 2-inch mark, I'm then going to take my ruler, I'm going to line up these two, and I'm going to draw going across. Once I have that going across, I'm going to erase what's down below, and you can see now we have our bottom of our locker right in through here. We're going to do the same thing up here. We're going to start at the corner. Remember, don't draw from over here like I just did. I made a mistake. Draw from the corner, hold the corner to the dot. I'm going to come up, stopping at that 2-inch line that I drew. Here's my corner, the dot, drawing up, line these two up so that they sit on the ruler, draw across, and erase that little vertical line. For the one up on the top, you're going to do all 4 corners. So down here, we just did the bottom corners going up, bottom corner going up. Up here, we are going to do all 4. So I'm going to line up my corner with this dot, and I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to do all 4 corners. I'm going to go put in my shelf, make sure these are sitting on the ruler, going across, erase the line going down, and then I'm going to do the same thing for this corner. Erase the line going down. And now if I turn my locker around, you can see I have the bottom shelf, I have the middle shelf, and I have the top shelf. The last thing you're going to do on this is you can go in and you're going to erase your X's in the middle. Once you're done with that, you're going to turn your paper over and put your name on the back. And we are going to be ready to start drawing in our objects. Finish your locker. Have fun.